Hey guys, and welcome back to Tech Guilt. And in today's video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Ledger Nano X. Now, the X does mean that this device is Bluetooth compatible, meaning that you'll no longer have to connect your hardware wallet to your device or your computer anymore via Type-C cable. Now, if you haven't done so already, please be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter at Tech Guilt. Also, I'll have a link in the description down below where you can purchase the Ledger Nano X, as well as including a promo code where you guys can get $10 or $15 off. And lastly, if you haven't done so already, please be sure to smash that subscribe button and the thumbs up button down below. With that said, I'm going to go ahead and unbox the device and show you exactly what's inside the Ledger Nano X. So, as you guys can see, we have the Ledger Nano X, and it is Bluetooth compatible, meaning that you'll no longer have to connect your hardware wallet via a micro USB cable. In fact, now you can just go ahead and enable Bluetooth and send and receive crypto from your device to your phone, just like that. So, as you can see, the back is pretty simple. It just tells you about the Ledger Nano X, the features, how it can manage up to 100 different cryptos, and the source of transaction where you can use your smartphones via Bluetooth or a computer. So it's pretty self-explanatory, and I'm just going to go ahead and open it up right now. And I think you just slide it out the side here. Pretty cool. Just going to put that to the side now. So this is the Ledger's box. Pretty nice little box. Is built really sturdy. I like that. It feels like it has like a nice premium quality to it. Very nice. And I'm just going to open up here. And this is the Ledger itself. Now this is the first time I'm actually holding a Ledger, and I gotta say it does have a nice bit of weight to it. I'm not sure what to compare it to, but it does have some nice size, nice little weight, so it doesn't feel cheap at all. And underneath this little housing here, we have a get started guide, as well as the Type-C cable, and the lanyard where you can connect your where you can just have it on your keychain if you choose to have it. Yeah. So there it is, and this is what the device looks like. It just kind of slides out like that. Comes with a piece of plastic here on top of it to protect it, and the paperwork here. So let's see if they give us any stickers or what it comes with inside of the Get Started guide here. So it does have 3 different cards where you can write down your recovery phrase, which is very important. As they say, guys, not your keys, not your crypto, and this is something you want to keep extremely safe and secured out of the eyes of anyone. You definitely don't want to put it on Google. You definitely don't want to save it on your smartphone. Always, always, always write it down 3 different times if you need to, and store it securely, because this phrase is a one-time phrase, and there's actually no way of getting back your phrase if you lose it or anything like that. It's gone. It's lost forever. I don't know if I can stress on this any further. Write it down, store it in 3 different places, under your mattress, in your drawer, or inside any other thing. Always, always, always save it. If you're fortunate, you do have a safety deposit box, possibly even consider putting it in there as well. And here we just have a get starting guide, and we do have some 3 stickers, a blue and a white version of it. So that's pretty cool. Now here's the device itself, the Type-C port, where you can connect it to your computer or your phone. And I'm going to power it up here for the first time to see what it actually looks like, guys. And here you're greeted with the Ledger and the welcome setup here. It says press the right button to continue, and once you do that, it'll take you to the next steps. And it's telling you here to download the Ledger Live app to your phone. And as you can see, also it does have a battery indicator here, so I will be charging it up, and I will be transferring crypto to it just to play around and see how it works. So guys, if you like this video, please be sure to like and definitely subscribe, and comment down below if you have to. Again, I'll be including an affiliate link in the description below where you can purchase the Ledger from Ledger itself, as well as including a discount code where you guys can get $10 or $15 off. And again, if it doesn't work, please be sure to send me a comment. I'll definitely try to find you guys a discount code where you can save some money on that. So that's it, guys. Peace, and I'll see you next time.